Amazing Place in Indonesia Part 10. Madakaripura Waterfall is a waterfall located in Probolinggo Regency, East Java Province. This 200-meter-high waterfall is the tallest waterfall on the island of Java and the second tallest in Indonesia. Madakaripura Waterfall is located at the end of a narrow valley and shaped like a niche surrounded by steep cliffs that drip water on all of their surfaces as if it were raining, and 3 of them even cascade heavily, forming additional waterfalls.